As the Southern California wildfires rage on, it raises concerns about similar catastrophes that we've experienced in Colorado, like the 2021 Marshall Fire in Boulder County or the Waldo Canyon fire here. News 5 senior reporter Brett Forrest looks into the FAIR plan, a Colorado home insurance option meant as a last resort, launching earlier this year.
It is safe to say that the Palisades Fire is one of the most destructive natural disasters in the history of Los Angeles.
As Southern California burns, states like Colorado must grapple with the same reality. Wildfires burning hotter, bigger, and longer. And home insurance rates keep rising as encroachment into the wildland-urban interface continues, with Colorado's excessive hail risk adding to the danger.
In California, not only do they have this huge risk for wildfire, they also have limited insurance companies' ability to charge an accurate premium.
Carol Walker with the Rocky Mountain Insurance Association says what's happening in California is a wake-up call. Colorado homeowners are seeing premiums sharply increase, but the alternative, legislation to keep them low, could mean bankrupting the insurers or risk having them pull out of the state altogether.
Today I'm calling for needed reforms to tackle the high cost of homeowners insurance and expand access so every homeowner can get the insurance they need.
Governor Polis Thursday saying just that in his State of the State address. But the insurance industry warns that could be a recipe for disaster.
Maybe your premiums have doubled, but what is that amount compared to having to pay out of pocket to replace your home, all of your belongings, to live elsewhere?
2 years ago, the Colorado legislature passed the FAIR plan, meaning fair access to insurance requirements.
We're really intended to be an insurance market of last resort.
Since then, they've essentially been building a new insurance company from the ground up.
So we're really hoping, at least by about the end of first quarter, that folks will be able to start applying to be able to get that coverage.
The FAIR plan is only meant for those who can't get insured by any other means. Those living in the highest risk areas who've been denied coverage 3 times.
Our rates must be actuarially sound. So our rates must reflect the risk that they insure. So as a result, we may not be the most affordable option, but again, we are intended to be that insurer of last resort.
For those who need it, the FAIR plan can't come soon enough. With the LA wildfires top of mind, experts say it's when, not if, another major disaster will strike. In Colorado, I'm Brett Forrest reporting.